A MoneyLion suspicious activity lock can stop you from accessing your account, using certain features, or completing transactions until the security issue is resolved. By the end of this video, you'll know why MoneyLion may lock an account for suspicious activity, and the steps to restore access. MoneyLion uses security checks to protect accounts when unusual activity is detected. This can happen after unexpected login attempts, changes to account information, or activity that does not match your normal usage patterns. The first step is to check your email and notifications connected to your MoneyLion account. Security messages may explain why access was limited and what action you need to take. Next, try logging into the MoneyLion app and follow any verification steps shown on the screen. The app may ask you to confirm your identity before allowing normal account access again. If you cannot complete verification, check that you are using the correct phone number, email address, and login details connected to your MoneyLion account. Incorrect information can prevent the verification process from working. You should also update the MoneyLion app if you are using an older version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, check for available updates, and install the newest version if one is available. If the app is not loading correctly during the security check, restart your phone and try again. A device restart can fix temporary app problems that interfere with login or verification. Avoid repeatedly entering incorrect login information because multiple failed attempts can create additional security restrictions. Use the password recovery option if you are unsure about your login details. If your account remains locked, contact MoneyLion support directly. Provide your account details, the message you see in the app, and any recent changes you made before the lock happened. This information helps support verify the issue faster. Do not share your password, security codes, or verification information with anyone claiming they can unlock your account. Only use official MoneyLion support channels for account recovery. To recap, check your security notifications, complete any verification steps, update the MoneyLion app, confirm your login details, and contact MoneyLion support if the lock continues. Your next step is to open MoneyLion and look for any verification message or security prompt before trying other fixes. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other MoneyLion troubleshooting videos for more quick solutions.